So good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter of your mathematics, that is multiples and factors with LCF and LCM. So before going to multiples, factors and all the things, I just want to know that many of you must be knowing about tables. Yes, so you must have learned two table, three table, four table, five table. So I have also given one table here, table of 2. Okay, so you see here 2 1, we multiply 2 with 1, we get 2. We get multiply 2 with 2, we get 2. We will multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. 2 with 2, we get 4. 2 with 3, we get 6. And we multiply 2 with 4, we get 8. So by this it is increasing gradually. These multiples we can get by multiplying different numbers to a number of 2. Similarly, if I will consider table number 3, if I multiply 3 with 1, I get 3. Okay. If I multiply this 3 with 2, this table you all must have remembered. Okay. If you have not remembered, you should remember. Okay. So like this, I have got 3, 6. Then if I multiply 3 with 3, you will get 9. So it will like this form a table. Okay. So you see here, what are these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14? They all are the multiples of 2. Okay, so 2 multiples of 2. If question will come multiples of 2, then what you will write? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then after 14, 16, 18 and 20. 18, 20, also 22, like that you will write, on and on and on. Okay, so how can we get this multiple, my dear children? By multiplying first 2 with 1, you will get 2. Then 2 with 2, we will get 4. Like this you multiply gradually. 2 1 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3s are 6. Like this you have to write this multiples of 2. I hope you have understood. Okay, now there are some properties of your multiples. Okay, there are some properties of multiples. There are some properties of multiples. What are these property? We will learn one by one all these properties. I think this color is not visible. Okay. Huh. So properties, first property is every number is a multiple of 1. This one is very important. Every number is a multiple of 1. सारे नंबर जो है 1 के मल्टीपल है. कैसे? If I will do a 1 table, then what you will see? If I will do table number 1, 1 1 ones are 1. Okay, like this. 1 2 1 twos are 1 twos are how much? 2. Sorry, 1 ones are 1. I'm sorry. It's better to use text only. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. So you see, like this, 1 fours are 4. So all numbers are the multiple of 1. Okay, this is the first property. Then second property. Second property is that every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. How you will understand that? You see here, multiples of 2 I have given. 2 is a multiple of 2. Yes or no? Multiples of 2. 1 is a multiple of 1. 3 is a multiple of 3. Like that, every number is a multiple of itself. 2 खुद का एक multiple है क्योंकि 2 ones are 2. Yes or no? Okay. Then, if I will tell the smallest multiple of 2, What is the smallest multiple of 2? 2 only. Yes, so every number's smallest multiple is itself. Okay, every number smallest multiple, thus every okay, is itself. वो खुद ही every number का जो smallest multiple है वो खुद ही है. Suppose 2 का smallest multiple 2 है, 1 का smallest multiple 1 है, 3 का smallest multiple 3 है. I think that is clear. Okay, then there is no largest multiple. There is no largest multiple. Why there is no largest multiple? Because this will go infinite. Yes or no? Smallest multiple, we can tell that the no itself only, but we cannot say what is the largest multiple. You cannot say that 20 is the largest multiple, because beyond that infinite numbers are there. 1 lakh, 2 and into 1 lakh, 2 into 1 crore, like that. You cannot say the largest multiple of a number. Okay. So these are all the minimum properties. One more properties is there, that a multiple of a number is divisible by itself, by the number itself. So suppose for this property I have a question for you. For this property I have a question for you. What is that question? Suppose I will ask you one question. Check whether 25 is a property of 3. Sorry, is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So how you will check that? So if 25 is a multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. वो 3 से divisible होगा. So what we will do? We will divide it. We will divide 3 with 25. So we know that 3 8s are 24. And remainder 1 is there. So by this you can we understood that 25 is not a multiple of 3. Why not a multiple? Because there is a remainder 1. If the remainder would be 0, then we can say that 25 is a multiple of 3. If I will tell, check whether 4 is a multiple of 2, you divide 2, 4, 2, 2 are 4, 0. So yes, 2, 4 is a multiple of 2. We can get that answer. So by this method, you can check whether the number is a multiple of the number itself. Okay, suppose 4 is a multiple of 2. How to check that? By division. We have to check that. Okay. So you can take a screenshot or you can write also. I am moving forward. So now I want to ask you certain questions. Okay. Okay, children, now I have given you some questions. So we will solve that questions. Okay. The first question, if you will see, write the first 3 multiples of 6. First we will solve question 1. First 3 multiples means you have to multiply 6. Okay. 6. Then multiply 6 with 2. That's first 3 multiples. So you have to take 1, 2, 3. 6 2s are 12. For these children, factors and multiples, you have to learn the tables. Okay. You have to learn the tables at least up to 15 nicely. You can also learn up to 30, but at least you learn up to 15. So see, I have got here 3 answers, 6, 12 and 18. So what is the answers of this? 6, 12 and 18 are the first three multiples of 6. Got that? Okay, now question number 2. Let me change the color so that it is differentiable. Question number 2. Write the first three odd multiples. It has asked first three odd multiples. Here it has asked only multiples of 6. So you can write 1, 2, 3, gone. First three odd multiples means you have to take the odd numbers. Okay. You have to take the odd number. So first odd number is your 1. So you can take it as 7. Second odd number is your 3. If you will take 2, you will not get the answer because 2 is an even number. 7 twos are, you will also get an even number. So you will not get an answer. So you have to take here 3, not 2. 3 odd numbers, you will multiply, you will get definitely an odd number. So you will get the answer 21. Okay. Then next, if you will take 4, you will not get the answer. So you have to take one more odd number, that is 5. Okay, so first three odd numbers, 1, 3 and 5. Okay, you will get how much? 35. So answer is 7, 21 and 35 are the first three odd multiples of 7. This one you note it down. We are moving to the next questions. The questions you will do. Okay, note it down. So I have given these two questions, my dear children. You can pause the video and then you can start doing these questions and I will reveal the answer shortly. So please do it. So my dear children, now I'm going to reveal the answer. The first will be of question number 3. So it has asked, write the multiples of 12 less than 60. Okay, multiples of 12 less than 60. So first you have to write the multiples of 12. First you will take 12 ones are 12. Okay, you have to remember the table. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. And 12 fives are 60. So see, here 60 came. It has asked the multiples less than 60. So what you will write? You will write these 4. 12, 24, 36 and 48. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now it has asked, write the multiples of 6. Question number 4 we will do now. Question number 4. Okay. Write the multiples of 6 that are greater than 30 but less than 54. Now you have to use some trick. How much if you will multiply with 6, you will get 30. You will multiply 5. 6 fives are 30. You go and see the table. 6 fives are 30. So you will start from 6 fives are 30. Don't waste time from starting with 1. Because question it has asked, question में क्या पूछा है? Greater than 30, less than 54. So we will start with 30 only. For this, you have to do mastery in the table. Okay, if it is possible, I will take a class on your tables also. But that one you have to do. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. And 6 9. 6 nines are how much? 54. So 54 came, means stop. Okay, in question we have asked only 54, you have to stop. So greater than 30 and less than 54 means these three numbers you have to take. 36, 42 and 48. So the answer to this question is 36, 42 and 48. Okay, I hope many of the students must have done this, but those who have not done, okay, you are facing problem. Please go and remember the tables, at least up to 15. Okay, you remember tables 2 to 15. Okay, this is a homework for you. You consider tables you have to remember from 2 to 15. Okay, now we will learn about common multiples. Okay, now we will learn about common multiples. Multiples is not yet over. We will learn about common multiples. Okay, common multiples. So what are these common multiples, my dear children? Suppose I will take two numbers. Suppose I am taking two numbers, 3 and 5. Let me change the color. Okay, 3 and 5. So I will tell, find the first three common multiples of these two numbers. Three common multiples of these two numbers. So what you will do? You will write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, then what? 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay, so you have to find the first three common multiples or the first two. Let us consider first two. Okay, then if I will write off 5, 5, 5 very easy, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30. You go to 30 only because here only 30 is there. Go to 30. Then see what are the common multiples. Common kya kya hai? You see 15 is there here also. 15 is there here also. Common. 30 is there here also. 30 is there here also. Common. So the first two common multiples what? 15 and 30. This is the common multiples. You have to take two numbers, write their multiples and find the first common multiples. Okay, I think that is clear. Okay. Now you may get some questions to write the common multiples using number line. Okay, you have to write the common multiples using number line. That one also we will discuss now. Okay, that one also we will discuss. We will take number 2 and 3 and we will discuss. So first let us draw a line. How to draw a number line? You will draw a line. You must have read in geometry how to draw a line. See, line, two arrows you have to give and you have to put appropriate numbers in that. Appropriate numbers. Suppose I have put here 0. I have put here 1. I have put here 2. I have put here 3. I have put here 4. I have put here 5. How to draw a number line? Till then I'm saying you. 6, 7, 10, 11. We will draw up to 12. Okay. Let's take only up to 12. Okay. We are drawing up to 12. And question I have asked, using this number line, find the common multiples of 2 and 3. Of 2 and 3. I have asked you this question. You have to find the common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, let me take the question here. Okay. Find the common multiples of 2 and 3. So how to find? First, we will take multiples of 2. So from 0, you have to first move to 2. Okay. Then from 2, you have to move to another 2. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. Next multiple of 2 is 4. You have to move to 4. After 4, the next multiple of 2 is 6. 6. After 6, 8. 8. After 8, how much? 10. 10. After 10, 12. 12. So these are the multiples of 2. Then we will take multiples of 3. From 0, we will start to 3. After 3, how much? 6. After 6, 9. After 9, 12. Just take the multiples and do like this, wavy like structure. अब देखो कि कहां कहां जो है लाइन मीट करता है. Where the line meets, you see here that it meets at 6 and here it meets at 12. Okay, here it meets at 6 and here don't consider 0. Here you see here it meets at 6 and here it meets at 12. So by using this number line, you understood that what are the answers? 6 and 12. Okay, the answer is 6 and 12. This is the common method by which you can solve these questions. Okay. Now we will read about factors. I'm sorry, multiples is over. Now we will go to factors. Okay. So now, my dear children, we will start factors. And any doubt in multiples, you can ask me. Okay. In my email ID or other sources also I have given you. So factors. So let's take three numbers we will take. Okay. We'll take three numbers. 3 5s are 15. You have taken here three numbers 3, 5, and 15. You know that 3 5s are 15. So I can say that 3 is a multiple of 15. 5 also is a, sorry, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5 is a multiple of, sorry, 15 is a multiple of 5. Again, sorry, I'm sorry. 15 is a multiple of 3 and also a multiple of 5. 3 का multiple 15 है, 5 का भी multiple 15 है. Now the question arises, what are factors? We have read multiples. Now you teach me factors. What are factors? 3 is a factor of 15. As 15 is a multiple of 3, 3 is a factor of 15. Okay. And 5 is also a factor of 15. So understood what is factor? Gross idea you have got. The number which is multiplied to get a product is called the factor. This is the factor. This is the product. This much you have understood. What are factors? Okay. Then with properties, as you know, most important properties. Properties are very important. One is a factor of all number. Just opposite. Multiples is opposite of factors. What you have learned in multiples? In multiples, we have learned that every number is a multiple of 1. Now, we have learned that 1 is a factor of all numbers. Every number, simple, na? You first you see here. If I will say 130 is 30. Let us say 130s are 30. So here 1 is a factor of 30. Any number you take, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Okay. So 1 is a factor of all the numbers and 1 is the smallest factor of all the number. Smallest factor of all the, every number having factor 1. So 1 is the smallest factor of all the number. And I have told you that every number is a multiple of itself. So every number is a factor of itself. Every number is also a factor of itself. Okay. You see, the 30 is a factor of 30 or not? So every number is a factor of itself. Next property, if I will say, then every number has two factors, but one has only one factor. One has only one factor, but every number have at least two factors, where one has only one factor. Okay, I think that is clear. Okay. So now how you will check that what are the factors of the numbers? So for this also, my dear student, you have to learn the division. Sorry, tables. Tables are very, very important. Okay. So let us learn about how to find the factors. Question is, find the factors of 24. Question is, find the factors of 24. Okay. So, you know 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So 1. Then we will check 2. How to check? 2. 2 ones are 2. I am directly taking here 2. Yes. In 2, you I will take in table number 12. 12 2s are 24. So yes. Then in 3. Then in 3. 3 8s are 24. Then in 4. 4 6 are 24. 0. Then you will take 5. In 5, you will not get 24. You have to take 5 4. If you will take, we will get 4. So 5 is not the factor of 24. So what are the factors of 24? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor. Yes, you see the number present here, sorry, the number present here is all, this is also a factor. This number, you check. This number, I'm giving stars over this number. Okay, this number is also the factors, so you have to add that number also. 6 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 12 is a factor, and 24. As it is, every number is a factor of itself, so 24 is a factor of itself. So these are the factors of 24. So by this method you can check, but it is better to remember this. By remembering the table, easily you can do these problems. Okay. Now you have to check that whether 4 is a factor of 48 or not. Question I am giving you, this one you note down. The question is, check whether 4 is a factor of 24. Check whether 4 is a factor of 24. How to check? 24 I've given. Okay, let's take, I have already taught you now, not 24. So you have, by division, simple, you divide this. 4 6 24. If you are getting the remainder 0, then you get sure that this 4 is a factor of 24. You'll write yes. Okay. So by using division, I have told how to calculate. You have to take different numbers and check and find the factors of that number. Okay, for your betterment, I am doing one more question also. Then we will move to next question. Suppose question is, find the factors of 21 using multiplication. Let's take 16 only. Find the factors of 16 using multiplication. I've already told you how to check in division. Now we will find in multiplication. So you stick where 16 comes. 16, 1 is 16. You know that every number is a factor of itself and 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Then in 2, how much you will multiply in 2? You will get 16. 2, 8, you will get 16. Okay, in 3 you will not get 16. Remember, in the table 3 16 is not there. In table 4 you can find 16. 4 into 4 is 16, and no else here you will find 16. So from here you can check that 16 has how many factors? 1, 16, 2, 8 and 4. For this basically you have to remember the table, and if even number is there, you get sure that 2 is a factor of that number. I will tell you that. Okay. Then common factors. Okay. Common factors. Then is common factors. The last part of today's session. Common factors. Okay. Suppose I will tell question. I have given a question here. Question. Find the. This is not visible, I think. Find the common factors of 9 and 12. Simple question I have given. First we will solve this, then find the common factors of 9 and 12. So first you will take 9. The factors of 9 by multiplication method you will find. I have already told you how to find multiplication method. Every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. 1 into 9 is 9. First factor 1 and 9. Then in table number 2 you find 9. No, 9 is odd number. You will not find in table number 2. Table number 3 you can find 9. 3 into 3 is 9. And no else here you will find 9. So this what is the factors of 9? If you will check factors of 9, 1, 9 and 3. 3 factors are there. So write there factors of 9, 1, 3. Write in ascending order every time. 1, 3 and 9. Then 12. Then 12. Okay. Then 12. 1 into 12. Every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. Done. Then in 2 also you will find 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 also you will find 12. 4 also you will find 12. Then in 6 you can find 12, but it is repeating. You see, 2 6 are 12, 6 2 are 12. Same thing. Okay, but still I am writing. And in table 12 you will find I am not writing that one. It's okay. So you have to not write it 2 times. You write only 1 time. Okay. Don't write it 2 times. You see here. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. These all are repeating, so no need to write this one. Okay. Focus on this only. So 1, 2, 3, then what? 4, 6 and 12. This property you remember, one property, every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. So first factor is confirmed. Next factors you have to learn the table and you have to find that. Okay, so for that you have to learn the table. I hope many of you have learned the table. If you have not learned, go and learn the table. So from this you find the common. 3 you can get one common. I can see here 3 and 1. 1 is the common factor of all the numbers. 1 you will get common in all the numbers. So what are the common factors? 1 and 3. So easy. Okay, 1 and 3. Now I am giving you a little difficult question. Not difficult. That is also easy one only. Common factors of question. Last question of today's session. Find the common factors of 20 and 32. Very easy. Okay. So for this, you can also pause the video if you want. Okay, but still I am telling you the answer now. So for 20, we will take first. For 20. Okay. First we will take for 20. So every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. 21s are 20. In table number 2, 20 tens are 2 tens are 20. Table number 3 will not find. Table number 4, yes. 4 fives are 20. Table number 5. 5 4 same thing, no need to write, but I am writing still. 10 2, 10 twos are 20. Same thing, 2 tens are 20, no need to write. Then 21s are 20. This much multiplication you have find. Then what to do? 1 20 2 10 4 and 5. So you write 1. This one no need to write, repeated things. 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. 10 and 20. Now 32. Now we will take off 32. For 32, so 1 into 32, you know every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. Then if you will take 2, 2 into 16. For this, you have to check that by using division, that 2 how much is 32. So you have to check that one. Okay. In 3, if you will check 3, you will not get 32. In 4, 4 8s are 32. You know the table. 5 you will not find. 6 also you will not find. 7 also you will not find. 8 you can find. But it is again written, so no need to write. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 you will find. 16 twos are 32. And at last 32 ones are 32. So you have to check it. It is how, in which number, what is the quotient in which 2 is the factor of 32. So you have to check that one by division. So for that I am also doing that for you. Otherwise you will think that sir is not doing anything. Okay, like this you check it. 2 ones are 2. 1 and 2. 2 6 are 12. How much? 0. So 16, you write your 16. So what are the factors? 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 32. So right here. You have to write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32. Okay. Now you check what are the common thing you check. Common thing. 1 is common. 2 is common. 4 is common. That much. So you can write the answer here. 1, 2 and 4. That much. Okay. These are the common factors of 20 and 32. Like that you can find by use. If you have any doubts to this, you can ask me in my email. Email I'm giving here. Any doubt, you can ask me in my email. mohantypublicschool@gmail.com. I will also give this email in my link, description link. By this, you can ask any questions, any queries you are having. So for today, this much, my dear student, we'll meet the next class with the new topic, prime and composite numbers. For today, you practice this much. Any doubt, you can ask me through this email. Okay, I am there to give you replies. Thank you. Like and subscribe to our channel. like and subscribe and stay tuned.